how y'all doing, folks? It's PawPaw again. And the good folks at Audew sent me another air compressor. And I want to demonstrate it for you and tell you all about it. What they sent this time is their 2-cylinder air compressor. It's supposed to really be something sure enough, little old 12-volt compressor. And it says it's the most powerful portable air compressor in its class, with a huge 50 liter per minute at 30 psi. It will easily pump a 10R15 off-road tire from 15 to 32 in 1 minute. And the recommended tire pressure for this little car, rear tires, is 38 psi. This little compressor comes with an adapter to where you can clip this onto your car battery, and you got a thing like a cigarette lighter socket, 12-volt power socket, in case you don't have a power socket inside the car, which I think one of my old trucks doesn't have one, so it'd be handy. It comes with little needle valves and the different little spouts you use to air up, beach balls and stuff like that. And it comes with a spare fuse and little copper spring. I don't know what the little copper spring is for. I'm sure I'll find out eventually. Anyway, it's got a good long cord on here for hooking it inside your car and then going back to your tire. So I believe I'll be able to do this. I'll just be able to hook it into my car. This old jewel is a 2-cylinder pump, and here's the air hose that goes on the end of it. So let's oh, it's also got a light. So let's see if we and on top of it is the pressure gauge. Now I will tell you in advance that the one thing I don't like about this particular Audew product is I can't preset the pressure. So I've got to monitor it, make sure I don't blow my tire up. Okay? So let's do a little transition here. I'm going to hook up the hose and get everything ready to go here. If you think this is something that would interest you, well, check them out. Audew will hook you right up. I'll try to have some links on here somewhere where you can access it. But it's a cute little compressor, and it's a little more substantial than some of the lesser expensive ones. And I don't know what else to say about it. It's an air compressor. It's supposed to pump air, and it does. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day and a better tomorrow. Bye, everybody.